Hi guys, this is me Kong again from Posh Coaching Classes, continuing the same series for class 10th, that is for trigonometry. And today, guess what, we are on the exercise we are about to start today. It is one of the most important exercises of this particular chapter, and as I said in my previous video as well, that it is one of the most important exercises of this entire book, by the way. So please do concentrate on this particular exercise. Make sure you watch this exercise till the end. Make sure you share it with your friends who are in your class, who are your schoolmates, classmates. So definitely share this video with them, because this video is going to give you a lot of marks in your academics. So make sure you watch this video. So before I start this video and before I start this exercise, the exercise is exercise 8.4. we have to make sure that we know three identities, and those three identities are pretty much very important for this entire exercise. So the first identity that I'm going to write here is, you must be knowing this, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is your first identity. Guys, this is one of the very important identities. Now we have another one. It says 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Then we have another one which says 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. If I have to say, this is the heart of this exercise, without this the exercise will not be done, because we have to use these. And if you remember the first video on this particular chapter, I told you sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. We have the values using this thing, P, B, P, H, H, B. Remember? Upside down and downside up. So this was sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos is base upon hypotenuse. Tan is perpendicular upon base. Then we have cosec, hypotenuse upon perpendicular, sec, hypotenuse upon base, and cot, base upon perpendicular. So these things you should be in your, it should be in your mind. You should by heart these things. And there's a few more things. There are a few more things that we will discuss when we come along with the questions. So let us go ahead and start with this particular exercise. So make sure, guys, you do concentrate on this particular exercise. This is a pretty good one. Okay, so let us see what the first question says. The first question itself is a very important question. It comes in your exam. So what does it say? It says express the trigonometric ratio of sine A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So what the question is asking, it's asking us to find sine A, then sec A, and then tan A. And all these three should be in terms of cot A. So what does the question actually mean? So it actually means that we need to find out the values of these three, but the answers, we should definitely have a cot in that. So that's what it actually means. So now what to do? Are we in FX? No, we are not. Why? Because we have all the values, we have all the things that we need in this particular question. So let's see how to do this. So if I talk about, we have sine, then we have sec, and then we have tan. So if I talk about tan A, first of all, we know that tan A, we have two values, by the way, sine A upon cos A. Remember the first video? If you have not seen the video, please do watch that video. I will leave in the link in the description and even in the I section. So please do watch that video. And we have one more here, that is 1 upon cot A. Okay, so these are the two values of tan A. Now what the question is asking me? The question is asking me that I need answers in cot. So what I will do, I will wipe this one off because both the values are same. So I will just keep here as 1 upon cot A. So I'm done with tan because the question was asking me to get the value of tan in terms of cot. So I'm done with this thing. Now let's talk about sec. I will say we know that 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Just now I told you we have 3 identities. I'm using the second identity. It says 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Instead of theta, I'm putting an A here because the question is in A. So now what happens? So now what I will do, I will write 1, or I can take this sec square A here and I'll write 1 plus tan square A. Okay, so now sec square A remains as it is, then 1 plus tan square A. If I see here, I have the value of tan A, that is 1 upon cot A. But I have a square, so let me put a square here. Now what happens? It says sec square A, we'll keep it as it is. This is 1, then I have 1 square, that remains 1, then it is cot square A. I hope this is clear till now. Now sec square A is equal to, let's take an LCM here. It is cot square A, then we can multiply cot square A with 1. It becomes cot square A plus, now denominator and LCM, whenever they are same, guys, you need to just write the numerator. So that's what I have written. Now, but the question is asking me, I have got the value of sec square A, but what is the question asking? Question is asking the value of sec A. So I will keep sec A here, and this square goes that side. It becomes under root cot square A plus 1 whole divided by cot square A. There's one more thing what I can do. Let me take the same thing here. So it's sec A is equal to, I have the under root for numerator and denominator. So I'll just separate the root here. So cot square A plus 1, then under root, I have cot square A, I'll write cot square A. Now what happens? Square and under root goes. So the value of sec A will be under root cot square A plus 1 upon cot A. Guys, this is the value of sec A. So I am done with sec A as well. So I hope, guys, this is clear. Please pause the video because I need to wipe this off for the next one. So please pause the video. You can definitely make a note of this, and I'll move forward. So now what are we trying to search? We are trying to find the value of sine A. We are done with the 2 values. I have got the value of tan, and then I have got the value of sec as well. So now I am just about to find the value of sine A. But for that, I can see here, I have sine A, I have an identity here which says sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. But can I use it? There's a question mark. Why? Because we cannot use this one because I need the answer in cot. So let me take third one. What do we have? I'll write, we know that 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A, right? Let me change the sides. I'll write or cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Till now, we are fine? Absolutely. We know that cosec A is 1 upon sine A. So what I will do here, I will write 1 upon sine A whole square is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Now, 1 square will be 1. Then this will be sine square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Clear? Now, I need the value of sine A, and here I have sine, but it is in square, so we can do the root and it will be done, but it is in the denominator. So let me do one thing. I will just write sine square A upon 1 here, and here it becomes 1 upon 1 plus cot square A. I hope this is clear, guys. Now let me move forward. And now what do I have? I have sine square A is equal to 1 upon 1 plus cot square A. Now what do I have to have here? I need to have the value of sine. So I'll write sine A is equal to under root 1 upon 1 plus cot square A, and then sine A is equal to under root 1 will not make much of a difference, so it will remain as it is, and then 1 plus cot square A. So this is the third value that we were searching for. So I hope this question is clear to you guys, because this question carries a lot of marks and this question has to be done with these identities. So I have used second identity and the third identity as per the question. If you have any doubt, guys, please do let me know. So this finishes our first question and I am going to move to question number 2. So just make sure that you memorize the 3 identities, because if you know the identities, it's a cakewalk. If you don't know, then it's a hard nut to crack. Okay, so let's move to question number 2. Now what does the question number 2 say? Let's see. All right, guys, we have another question, same type of question actually. So what does it say? It says write all other trigonometric ratios. So we have 6 trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. So we need to find sine, cos, tan, cosec. Sec is already there, and then cot. All the values of these particular ratios should be in sec. So whatever answers I will get, it should be in this. Okay, so if you remember, sec, okay, I'll write it here itself. We'll say we know that sec, okay, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. If I see cos is 1 upon sec, so I have the value of cos A equal to 1 upon sec A. So we are done with this. We have got the value of cos, because we know in my previous video, the first video of trigonometry, I have told you cos A is equal to 1 upon sec A. Similarly, sine A is 1 upon cosec A. Now we are done with cos. Now we will take one of these identities. So what is the first identity I have? I will say we know that sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Now I will keep sine square A as it is. Cos square A, in terms of cos A here, I have 1 upon sec A, so I'll write here sec A whole square. Now sine square A plus, this becomes 1 upon sec square A is equal to 1. Then sine square A is equal to 1 minus this positive 1 upon sec square A goes there, that side, it becomes negative, so sec square A. Let's take the LCM. It is sec square A. Sec square A multiplied by 1 is sec square A minus, we have the denominator and LCM same, so write the thing that is in the numerator. And now I need sine A, the value of sine A, so it is under root sec square A minus 1 under root sec square A. So I will take this and this off. What do I have? I have sine A equal to under root sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. This is the value of sine A. Okay, so just I'll write it here. We have the value of sine A, which is equal to under root sec square A minus 1 whole divided by sec A. Okay, guys, we are done with sine, we are done with cos. We have few more to do. So now let me take this off. Let me move to tan now. Guys, you know it, that tan A is equal to sine A upon cos A, right? We know it. So now Do I have the value of sine A? I just got the value. What the value was? It was under root sec square A minus 1 divided by sec A. Do I have the value of cos A? Yes, I do. The value is 1 upon sec A. Now, under root sec square A minus 1 divided by sec A, multiply. Let's do the multiplication. So it is sec A upon 1. Okay, this sec A and sec A gone, so the value of tan A is under root sec square A minus 1. Guys, clear? Let me write the value of tan A as well. Tan A is equal to under root sec square A minus 1. Sec square A minus 1. I hope this is clear, guys. Yeah? So let us move to, we are done with sine, we are done with cos, we are done with tan. Now, what do we have? We have cosec. Cosec A. We know it that cosec A is 1 upon sine. Sine A. So do I have the value of sine A? Yes, I do. 1 upon sine A is under root sec square A minus 1 divided by sec A. Now we will just move this 1 and this will be 1. This is sec A upon under root sec square A minus 1. We are multiplying this with 1, so it doesn't make much of a difference here. Cosec A will be sec A upon under root sec square A minus 1. Have we got the value of cosec A? Yes, we do. We have the value of cosec A as well. Cosec A is equal to sec A divided by under root sec square A minus 1. Guys, are we done with this? Yes, we are. We are done with cosec as well. Sine, cos, tan, cosec is done. Sec is anyways given there. Now we have to find the value of cot A. Cot A is 1 upon tan A. So 1 upon tan is under root sec square A minus 1. We don't have to do any more things here because we straight away got the value of cot A as well. So cos A 1 upon sec A, then cot A 1 upon under root sine sec square A minus 1. We have got the value of sine A, tan A, cosec A, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec is already there, and cot. So we have got all the values. Right, guys? So this finishes question number 2. Please pause the video and make a note of it. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start question number 3. We have 2 parts in question number 3. So the first part says sine square 63 degree plus sine square 27 degree whole divided by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Clear, guys? So now we need to evaluate, we need to find the value of this particular thing. So what I will write here, I'll write sine square 90 degree minus 27 degrees plus sine square 27 degree whole divided by, here I will write cos square 90 minus 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree. What am I doing? I'm just doing nothing. I'm just making this a formula. You remember in our previous exercise, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So that's what I will write here. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So this is sine 90 minus theta, so but we have a square, so it is cos square theta. We have theta 27 degrees plus sine square 27 degrees. Now here cos 90 minus theta will be sine, but we have a square. Theta is 73, and then cos square 73. Okay. Now, what do we see here? We can see sine square theta plus cos square theta. We have this theta same. So what do we know? We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So I'll write, we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, this particular thing will be 1 and the denominator will be 1. So 1 upon 1, 1 is the answer. Clear, guys? Pretty simple. Yeah? Cool. So let's move to part number 2. I hope this is clear to you. So let's see the next part. Is it simple or complicated? So part number 2. It says sine 25 cos 65. Sine 25 degree cos 65. Then we have a positive sign. Cos 25 sine 65. Cos 25 sine 65. Clear? Yes. So now what we can do, let me change either of the one. So I will write sine 90 minus 65, and then cos 65 is the same here, plus cos 90 minus 65 and sine 65 is the same. So what is this? Sine 90 minus theta, it is cos theta, and then we have again the same thing. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Then we have the same thing again. So what do we have? We have cos square 65 degrees plus sine square 65 degrees. So we can say, we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, this thing, sine square theta plus cos square theta, the answer is 1. Clear, guys? Pretty simple. So let's move on to question number 4. Right, guys, so let's move to question number 4, part first. Now it's a multiple choice, but very important. The first one says 9 sec square a, 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a is equal to what? We have 4 options. It says 1, 9, 8 and 0. So we need to find the value. So let's see what we can do. First of all, the first thing that I can see is I can take 9 common. So that's what I'm doing. Let's take 9 common. Now, what do I have? I have sec square a minus tan square a. If I take the second identity, I'll write here, we know that 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, right? If I keep 1 here, I'll take, first of all, I'll write sec square a plus tan square a goes that side, negative tan square a. So what do we have? We have sec square a minus tan square a. What we can write? We can write 1. So 9 multiplied by 1, 9. So 9 is the answer, which is the B part. So that's our answer. Clear, guys? Perfect. So let's move to part number 2. Part number 2 here says 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. Then we have another bracket. It says 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta is equal to what? We have again 4 options. It says 0, 1, 2 and minus 1. So let's see. First of all, let's solve this. It's 1. Then we know tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta, and sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. Then 1, we have cot theta, cos theta upon sine theta, minus 1 upon sine theta, because cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta. So let's take the LCM, we have cos theta. Cos theta multiplied by 1 is cos theta. Then we have plus sine theta plus 1. Here we have again the LCM, that is sine theta. We can write sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. Perfect. Now let me do one more thing. I'll write sine theta first plus cos theta plus 1, and then sine theta plus cos theta minus 1 whole divided by, we have sine theta cos theta. Okay, now guys, can you see here we have a positive sign and we have a negative sign here. These things are identical, so let me take this as A and this as B. This is A, this is B. So this is A plus B multiplied by A minus B. What is that? That is sine A square, that is sine theta plus cos theta square minus B square, that is 1 square. Then this is sine theta cos theta. Clear, guys? Now we have a few more things to do. This is A plus B whole square. So that is A square plus B square plus A square plus B square plus 2AB. And then I have minus 1 whole divided by sine theta cos theta. Sine square theta plus cos square theta, we know that is 1 plus 2 cos theta sine theta minus 1 divided by sine theta cos theta. Positive, negative gone. We have twice cos theta sine theta divided by sine theta cos theta, so this is gone. So the answer is 2, and the 2 is, it is part number C, that is C answer. Clear, guys? Wonderful, great. So let's move to part number 3. I hope, guys, you are able to understand these questions, because in the beginning itself I said very, very important exercise, guys. Very, very important. So do concentrate and watch the video till the end. So now we have the third part. What does it say? It says sec A plus tan A. Sec A plus tan A. Then what do we have? We have then another bracket. It says 1 minus sine A. Okay, is equal to what? We have 4 options. Yes, the answer says maybe it could be sec A, then sine A, cosec A, or cos A. So let's see what exactly it is. So sec A is 1 upon cos A. Tan A is sine A upon cos A. This thing can't be changed because it's simple here. So let's take cos A as LCM. So we have 1 plus sine A, and then we have 1 minus sine A. Now this is all in multiplication, so I'll write 1 plus sine A, 1 minus sine A whole divided by cos A. What does this become? This is A plus B, A minus B, multiplication. So A square minus B square whole divided by cos A. This becomes 1 minus sine square A upon cos A. We know 1 minus sine square A. If I take cos square A, this sine square A that side, so it becomes 1 minus sine square A. So the value will be cos square A. So we'll write cos square A upon cos A. 1 cos A and cos A gone, so the answer is cos A, and the part is D. So this is the part D, that is the answer. Clear, guys? Wonderful. So we have one more part in this. So let me quickly go ahead and rub this off and move to the next one. So the fourth part here says, 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to what? We have the four options, so let's see what we can do. So here, if I see 1 plus tan square A, okay, all right, I can write here as, I'll say we know that 1 plus tan square A is sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. This becomes 1 upon cos square A. This becomes 1 upon sine square A. So what do we have? We have 1 upon cos square A into reciprocating sine square A upon 1. This becomes sine square A upon cos square A, which is tan square A. Do we have this in the options? So we have sec square A, minus 1, cot square A, and tan square A. Yes, the D part is the answer. So that's what it is. Just give me a second. Let me check that out. 1 plus tan square A. Yes, it is the D part. So this is question number 4. This finishes our question number 4. The next question has got 10 parts, I believe. Yes, we have got 10 parts in that particular question, and very, very important question that as well. So this finishes the part 1 of this particular exercise. I will be coming up with the next question, which has got 10 parts. In one go, we will finish those parts as well. So till then, please do practice these questions, and please do follow us, and please do remember these formulas as well. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel. This is me signing off for today. You have a wonderful time. Thanks a lot. You take care.